Namamatay.
Namamatay na.
Video.
First personal foul by Buhayan. 45-36 in favor of BGC Elders. Wala na po change 5 yan, kaya na po bahala. Ang kaya, binabantayan ng Jumawan. 15 seconds to shoot. D. Crossover with D. Lumipad na! 2 points, Christian. D. Foul by jersey number 19.
Si. Walang tao.
Second personal foul by Ken Buhayan. Third team foul of BGC Elders. Asilo. Back to Alvarez, to Omacho, 2 points, Omacho. 47-38. In favor of BGC Elders pa rin. To D. D, side step po by D. Block, pero foul. Foul by jersey number 11. Omacho. First personal foul. Stand by for substitution. Sub po, sub. Pwede mo ba? Bawal po, bawal. Stand by for sub. May susi po. Kanino pong susi ito? Puntahan lang po sa committee. First shot is good. Stand by for sub. Pag na-shoot po, sub po tayo. Logie, 3 po by Ponce. Pass to deadlock na po ang sub. Rep, sub po. Subdivision, Bulabog in, Buhay, out. Sub po, standby for subdivision. Deadlock po, deadlock. 15 seconds to shoot. To Asilo. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 degree. Nugget, Timabay. Chumawan. Nugget, Timabay. Omato. Nugget pa rin. Timabay, Bulabo. 5 minutes and 34. To D. Substitution po. Substitution. Balayan in. Nasyon out. Next game po natin, Ulumots versus Sistemador. BGC, after mag-fourth quarter, pasettle ng balance. Maraming salamat po. Alvarez. 10 seconds to shoot. Omato, short number, Nugget. Ribabay, habang. To Bautista, to habang. Habang pa rin. Guarded by Omato. Foul. Ay! Anong tawag, rep? Backward violation. Ang tawag ni rep. Backward violation. Turnover. Bola na. Metro Bowlers. 48-38. 10-point lead pa rin po para sa BGC Elders. Alvarez taking three. Nugget, Timabay. Jumawa. Bulabo. 8-point lead na lamang po. Bautista. 15 seconds to shoot. Bautista. Ano nga doon, rep? Number 13, foul. Second team foul. Second personal foul. D guarded by, step back, Nugget, Timabay, D. 3 minutes 55 seconds. D. D. Wow. Power jersey number 15. Asilo.
Ilan ang timeout sa ano?
Isa pa lang po. Third quarter, tig-isang timeout lang. First personal foul by Asilo. Third team foul of Pedro Bowlers. First shot is good. Second shot is no good. Di babae o kanto. Three. Jumawan. 49-43. Bautista. Short jumper. No good. Di babae. Ponce. Di babae. Alvarez to Asilo. 49-43. Out of bounds. Substitution rep. Substitution. Ponce out. Buhaya in.